Good afternoon, guys. This is Ritvik. And as sir suggested earlier, we need to again go through the vision statement, and we need to fix to a particular field in which we are going to research in our further weeks. So, what field will you suggest to do our research? Can anyone take the lead?
Bro, I think we have to go through all the sector, all the areas from bro. We have to cover all the areas.
I mean, like in the health sector, like when we come one coming to the doctors, hospitals, there are many n number of hospitals and the fields, problems. So I mean, if we particular to one field, then we can go research on them. Of course, image processing will be common to every field, but when coming to the cancer diagnostic, it will be different. When coming to diabetes patient, it will be different. When coming to the eye specialist, it will be different. As sir shared some links like which has some 32 examples. They are like what are the like high institutes using AI in their field, and there are some 32 number of examples. And there also how many patients has recovered, how many patients liked the process. All those study results are available in that link. So I think we must go through all those 32 examples, and at last we'll come to a conclusion like which is better for us. I think so.
Bro, I think we have to go through those 10 technologies also, bro.
Hmm? Sorry?
10 technologies has been given to us now. Before after this, uh,
Entrepreneur toolkit. Huh?
not for the data science, cloud computing, enterprise services ఉన్నాయి కదా
Hmm.
టెక్నాలజీస్ ఆ 10 టెక్నాలజీస్ కూడా మనం బేస్ చేసుకుని కవర్ చేయాలనుకుంటా బ్రో.
Sir said that those will be related to the cloud, right? Like when we go for the back end, all the cloud settings will be considered in those ways. I think so.
Bro, for this internship, we have to complete up to the featuring process only, yeah? Or we have to go through the designing or production of the video boards also.
I don't know. Sir said we'll be launching our video bots, like not a real time
No, I
assessment,
think
but
Sar
like
said
a
about
research. Sheikh Basha, go on.
Bhashan had some network problem. Bro.
Okay, I mean, he started telling something. Yes,
hello.
sir.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay. Sar didn't said anything about creating a real product. He just said about ideology of how to
Yeah,
create
only
video
research.
and
Yeah, sir also said that there will be no coding part.
Bro, and only up to this research code, then we have to, then the practice school was completed.
Yeah, we want to do the research, and we'll predict the outputs of the patient input. Like think, but we'll chart part. So when coming to some any banking sector, if you want to know about your account balance or you need to do some payment or you know information about the bank, we just enter the information in the chart part, and the reply will be automatically generated based on your input, right? So maybe that is the way we need to prepare a video bot.
Bro, but for this video boards, we have some knowledge on AI and machine learning also, na, bro. To understand those algorithms by only we can predict the output of the video board, bro.
Yeah, I mean I think output will be predefined. I think so.
already the output will be stored there. I
Yeah,
think
already those output video bots will be recording our videos, or maybe we record our some computer generated videos. So when user has given the input like he's suffering from fever or symptoms of the cold, so they are based on those two inputs, our video bot will tell the medication, I think so. Like for example.
but to scan the symptoms or another thing, we have to the AI should be developed into the code, no, bro. Deploy into the
Yeah,
code.
but sir didn't said anything like real-time application or using coding. Sir didn't mention anything regarding coding. So as Pasha mentioned, sir mentioned only the ideology and research what we done on the AI. And sir said that we'll be certified that in research in the AI. That's it. Hasini, can you hear us? Yeah, as mentioned, sir, there will be no coding part. I heard.
They have to fill the business toolkit as per Sir told.
Asni, can you please share us those 32 star provided for some link now? Can you please share the screen for us?
Can you see my screen?
Ah, we are able
Yes, we
to
can.
see.
First one is health symptom checker.
Yeah, this AI based symptoms and cure checker.
These are through chatbot. Chatbot listens to the patient's symptoms and health concerns.
Then guides the patient to the correct care. Yeah, here in this chartboard we'll have the outputs predefined, right? So the chartboard will listen to the patient's symptoms and health
Yes, yes.
concerns.
Chatbots are like pre-recorded versions. So video bot is like we'll use a AI, right? So we will be using a natural language processor for AI for video bot.
Yeah, chart variables nothing but like they are the next generation of the chartbots. Chartbots we
Yes.
can only hear the text, right? Only the text format.
No, bro.
But
Pash is saying that the chatbots are like they will be the predefined
chatbots is
answers.
like yeah. They won't give new answers according to your questions. They only
But
give
in
limited
video bots,
answers.
they go through the all the research behind and share us the answers, bro. They use some AI, and so they go through all the algorithms in the internet and find those patterns according to the symptom, and they show us the answer.
Okay. I think that video bots are also as same as startbot with a predefined. I mean with a predefined outputs. I think that like whenever the user has some new kind of input, like a new kind of diagnosis, then I think that using this algorithm, those videos will be updated automatically. I think so. Till now, like someone has to record the video as a predefined one, right? In the further input as a video bot.
No, we don't use recorded videos. We have specialized authors, video box. We can't keep our face, but we will, so we'll use video. They will have some specialized authors video box.
Okay, then we don't need to record any predefined videos.
No, bro, I think we don't need any predefined videos for the video board. I think there will be the graphic of the human, bro, to go through the interface with the customer.
Okay. Okay, we'll get it clarified on the tomorrow meeting. So when coming to the vision, we need to go entrepreneur toolkit. We need to go from the starting the vision background again. So when coming to the schedule today, we will see the marketing. Under the marketing, if we, there are some like these are some few AI based tools available on the online. So with the marketing, we can also put our tool as a market, like a e-commerce website. So if any hospital or if any doctor need to access it, they'll just fill the information like the name, what is their designation, what is an hospital, like what is their field of specialization. They'll fill their details, and those details will be come to like users like who are the users of the tool like us. So we will approach them and we will deploy the tool there. That is one of the thing I can say in the marketing side. Or else we will have someone like a sales manager, so they'll approach the hospitals, they will approach to the doctors, and they will explain our tool, like what it will be doing, like how it will be useful, what are the benefits. These are explained by the human to a human to human interaction. So if a doctor or hospital has a management has a okay with the tool, so they will approach it and they will buy it. In my opinion, these two may be the marketing side. Hasni, can you add some points to?
Are we going to launch any tool?
No clarity
No,
over there.
I think no, I think so. We have to for this practice call. We will have to go through the AI research process for this video board. I think so.
So what we can add to the vision? Let's discuss about that.
when coming to those 37 examples provided by the sir, it has many things like combining big data with artificial intelligence, deep learning with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Is there anyone who knows machine learning? Here on the screen we can see one example like AI with cloud and quantum physics, which has some chemical and pharmaceutical properties which will create or predict the complex molecular systems, developing new medicines.
I think neural network was so big process. I think we have to skip this one.
Like, what if we go for the like not only diagnosing the disease after it attack us. Before that, we what if we go for the diet and health habits of the people?
I think that will be the nutrition app, bro.
Maybe in the AI in the nutrition, based on the like. What we say, based on the human body conditions, like what is the height, weight, we say what is here his or her previous medical diseases he faced,
Yes, bro.
what
Those
are the
apps already came, bro. Like Under Armour, there will be the My Fitness Pal app. in the app, if you give your height, weight, and body condition, which you are working weekly or anything, it will give you the diet plan, total diet plan, and it will be recorded every day.
Okay.
In the workout section to I've seen the tab. Yeah.
Actually, your voice is breaking.
Robots also, it increases the access to the health care. I think more the people will be more aware by this video board, and they will be get more knowledge. I think అదే ఏదైనా డిసీజ్ పేరు వినగానే భయపడే బదులు ఇలా వీడియో బోర్డ్స్ యూజ్ అవ్వడం వల్ల మోర్ అవేర్నెస్ వస్తుంది అనుకుంటా పీపుల్కి.
I think this one is good. Automatic healthcare's most repetitive process. That one. Just check on that.
Like it will remove the repetitive tasks happening in the hospitals, right?
So,
I think this is like tracking the device.
bro, I think I have made some point by your answer. I have made 8 points. Can I read those 8 points?
Yeah.
So, the first one, AI cloud based drug discovery, and the next one was personalized healthcare plans with AI, as you told, bro. Ritik. The next one, streamlining patient experience with AI and increasing access to healthcare. as I told now, bro, when the access will be more to the healthcare, means the people will be more aware on their diseases without panicking on these diseases. They will be more aware and they will be plan. They will be plan further. And more awareness on their conditions and the automatic healthcare most repetitive process and the uh, a massive library for personalized health. And I think this should be maintained by a hospital, bro. There will be the more patients will be అంటే ప్రతిసారి వస్తూ ఉంటారు కదా పేషెంట్స్ వాళ్ళు పర్సనలైజ్డ్ డేటా స్టోర్ చేసుకొని ఉంటే అది ఖచ్చితంగా యూజ్ అవుతుందేమో కదా వాళ్ళకి ఎప్పుడైనా సర్జరీ చేసినప్పుడు కానీ ఏదైనా ప్రొసీజర్స్లో చేసినప్పుడు
Yeah, they don't need to go again all the files from the starting. Everything will be in the digital format.
Next one, AI for hospital risk prediction. Before going to any procedure, the risk prediction will be given to the hospital management without after trying on those researchers, they will be more effective. I think more life saving. అంటే ఏదైనా చేసే రిస్క్ తీసుకునే బదులు దాన్ని రిస్క్ ఎంత ఉందో ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేస్తే ముందు జాగ్రత్త తీసుకుంటారు కదా
Yeah.
These are the 8 points I have listed. Is there any points to be listed in the list? Okay, no points ఉన్నాయా?
No, I think they are good. I mean, remaining they are the like a robotic surgery. They are the coming like out of our field, right?
Yes, bro.
They will be very complex. Out of those eight, they are some related to the neural surgery, robotic surgery.
Yes, bro. But there will be out of our field.
They will be very complex, and our knowledge will be. I mean, we need to get more knowledge on them. On this, I think on the one of the, I mean, you will submit those 8 to us, sir.
I think can we place it on the group, bro, or we have to send it personally to the sir?
Sorry.
Or we have to place those file on this group, or we have to send those file as a personal to the sir. సార్ పర్సనల్ గా పంపాలా లేదా గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టేచ్చా
In the group, I mean, on those 8, we will fix one, right?
అంటే మరి అన్ని సెక్టార్స్ కి కవర్ అయ్యేలా ఉండలేము కదా అదే మొత్తం అన్ని ఫీచర్స్
Will the time will be sufficient for the all those 8 things we need to study, right? To research on the 8 different things. So Hasini, what will you say? Sheikh Basha, respond.
there is some network issues in the Basha bro network bro was
Hasini,
outside.
Hasini Dilkesh has come up with 8 ideas.
No bro, not only mine, those are all your ideas also, bro.
I mean,
Yeah, all ours.
you
I just noted
shortlisted,
those
we can
points.
shortlisted. Hello, Hasini. Hello.
Just have called Hasni. She had some network issues.
Finally, we are with the 8 examples. So should we eliminate anything or will continue with those 8 examples?
Image recognition through image recognition. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you.
We can predict through image recognition.
Those examples.
I think
By sending
hospital
it to the
risk
doctor.
prediction was already noted. Bro, are these enough? Is there any point here? I think me and Basha bro have to go through the manufacturing sector call also. Hasni, ఇవి సరిపోతాయా? భాషా
చాలు.
బ్రో
సరిపోతాయి.
మరి అంటే మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ సెక్టర్ కాల్ కూడా అన్నాం కదా.
30 minutes ఓకే ఫ్యాక్చరింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం.
హాస్ని ఇవి ఈ ఫైల్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ చేయనా లేదా గ్రూప్ లో ప్లేస్ చేస్తానా?
గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టేసే.
భాషా బ్రో బాగానే ఉన్నాయి కదా పాయింట్?
అన్ని బాగానే ఉన్నాయి.
So okay, then we'll close it here for now.